Hello English Village. You might know my name is Andrew Bishop, but you might not know I really like dance. I mean, I really enjoy dancing. So today I want to share my passion and love of dancing with you. Are you ready, English Village? I'm glad you are. How about we begin by learning about different dances around the world? I want you to use your workbooks to answer the different questions in the dance section. That is, I want you to listen and answer the questions about dance in your workbook. Okay? Good. Let's talk about the first dance.
But the pole in a style, and the one but a little baby, that'll do. But the pole in a style, and the one but a little baby, that'll do. But the pole in a style, and the one but a little baby, that'll do. But the pole in a style, and the one but a little baby, that'll do. But the pole in a style, and the one but a little baby, that'll do. But the pole in a style, and the one but a little baby, that'll do. But the pole in a style, and the one but a little baby.
A little long, but a very interesting dance. The name of the dance is tap dancing. One more time, tap dancing. Tap dancing is a dance from the United States. In tap dancing, a dancer uses their feet to make mini sounds by hitting the floor with their tap shoes. Next dance. Very cool. The name of this dance is breakdancing. Breakdancing. Breakdancing is a dance from the United States. During breakdancing, the dancers use all of their bodies to make patterns that are very interesting. It is a very aggressive and very physical dance. Next. Or are they fighting? The name of this dance is capoeira. Say it with me, capoeira. Capoeira is from Brazil. It is a combination of music and fighting. Be very careful while practicing this dance. Now on to another dance. Very elegant indeed. The name of this dance is waltz. Waltz is a dance from Austria. During waltz, dancers dance very close together in a round in circles. I really enjoy waltz. Now on to another dance. The name of this dance is ballet. It is a dance that started in Italy. During this dance, dancers do a lot of dancing on their toes. Neat. Next.
Hey, 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 hey. Baby, let's make love.
The name of this type of dance is hip-hop. It is a dance from the United States. Hip-hop is a very famous type of dance in R&B and rap music videos. I am A-OK with hip hop. And now for the final dance.
I want so many women, can't have everything. Oh, I want everything. Everything. I want everything.
The name of this dance is salsa. Salsa is a very interesting and passionate dance from Cuba. Also, salsa is my favorite dance, and it's the dance we're going to learn today. So, I hope you're excited, English Village. If you're not finished with your workbook, please ask your teacher. I'm sure they'll help you out. Okay, English Village, get ready. It's dance time. Until soon.